Okay guys, so today I'm going to tell you about the number one thing that causes inefficiency in your home as far as your heating and cooling, and that is the bottom of your front door. I want you to check this out. You can absolutely see the daylight coming in from the bottom of this front door. So go check your front door. You might be experiencing the same thing, and today I'm going to show you how to fix it. What I'm going to be using is something very simple. It's just called a draft seal. It doesn't require any tools to install it. The only thing you're going to need is a pair of scissors or a razor knife and some alcohol. This is going to be the most crucial part of the whole process. You're going to want to use alcohol to clean the bottom of this door because the seal is going to be held on with adhesive. And the second most important thing you're going to want to do is make sure it dries before you put the seal on. Okay, the next thing I need to do is just cut off what I don't need. I'm just going to use a razor knife, but a pair of scissors work just as well. And if you're unsure, just leave a little bit extra on the length because you can always come back and trim it later. And then when you're sticking it on, you want to make sure that the seal comes all the way down and touches the molding so that no air can get by. And then it is quite literally peel and stick. And when it sticks, it's going to stick. So make sure you got it where you want it. And I've got a little down here that I'm going to trim off. And just give it a good firm press one more time. Done and done. And no more light shining through at the bottom of the door. And that'll keep the conditioned air inside the house and keep the bugs outside. Okay guys, that's all it is to it. I really like this type of draft seal because it's got a built-in air chamber at the bottom of it. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that really improves the insulating quality of it. I'll leave a link to the one I'm using, so if you want to check it out, you sure can. Just check the description at the bottom. Thanks for hanging out. I really appreciate you. God bless. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.